You got a flat roof and you live in the state of New Mexico, you want to save 50% off your gas bill. You got these little vents, you cover them up in the wintertime. My gas bill went from $80 to $32. So there's what it looks like without the cover. It just vents a space in between the roof and your ceilings, and cold air goes right through it, which helps in the summertime but not in the wintertime. So I drilled little holes, and I've got a little piece of metal goes over it. I mark them because there's 4 or 5 of them, and I block it off. Here's what you need: piece of metal. I got this one at True Value. You get a whole big sheet for like 20 bucks, and you can use them for lots of different things. Cardboard, make a little kind of like a example piece that fits in there. Use it as your template. Sharpie around it, cut around the metal, drill some holes for it, and that's all you got to do. Put it up there, cover them all, and put your screws in, and watch your heating bill get cut in half. All right, thanks for watching.